Hi guys, so today we have something special to do. It's all about nature today. We are now heading to a place where it will be a spectacle view to those who are really loved about the nature. By exploring the nature, it is really brings the explorer to the creator and gives calmness and also relaxing your mind instead. The journey will be at Jitra Kedah. It took 20 minutes from UUM, so let's enjoy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Latif.
And my name is Amzar Khalif bin Aminuddin.
And
And
now,
now we are at
Taman Eko Rimba. Bukit Wang Recreational Forest is located in Jitra, Kedah, which is about 40 km from the town of Alestar, and has always been a preferred destination for a weekend break.
This park has a relatively long bathing area which is about 1 kilometer and suitable for all age. Despite not having high waterfall, it remains an option because of the environment conditions that are still preserved. Now we want to explore what inside this place. Let's go. As you can see, there's a small waterfall which is the first stage waterfall for this place, which is near the main entrance. If you want to explore more, let's go through.
As you can see, there's a track that provided for all visitors that come over here, which is they can get to walk path along this way. So let's go. Okay, now there's a few visitors over here that we need to interview. Let's go. Hello miss, sorry. I would like to interview you guys about this area. Okay, how do you feel about this recreational park?
Okay, first of all, my name is Natasha.
And I'm Diana.
Okay, I think about the park is it is suitable for family, and we usually go here for jungle trekking.
Yes. And sometimes we go for jogging at the morning.
Okay, may I know where do you come from?
We are from Unimap.
Oh, you know that, okay. What time you usually come to here?
Usually at the morning, maybe because
At 8 a.m. like that.
Okay, okay, that's some things that this interviewer said to us, which is it is a very good places that you guys should go together with family and friends, especially to the University Utara Malaysia students.
As you can see, there's a beautiful nature and greenery trees in here at Bukit Wang.
Besides, you also can feel the fresh air over here that can help you to relax your mind together with friends and family.
So let's go.
Okay, now we are at the second stage of this river. From the entrance, it will take 5 until 10 minutes of walk to get down over here. You also can use this bridge that have been provided for us to get down over here. These places is very safe for the children to play around and swim together with their family.
Other than that, this site is suitable for us to make a BBQ or picnic with your family and friends. It is also suitable for you to make relaxing activities and others. Now we are going to the last stage of this waterfall, which is over there. So we must walk a few minutes to reach the place. So let's go. Final stage of the waterfall, which is the third stage, which it is known that it is built by the British on 1930.
So, for those who are really like the historical value, you can come over here, take a look on this dam. There's something historic behind this. Let's check it out. So now we are on a track which those who want to have their jungle trekking session, they can use this track to get up into there. So those who are the jungle trekker, don't forget to come here to get a beautiful view of greenery forest that provided by the state of Kedah. Now we are at an area which I think is very suitable for those who
Want to feel relaxed,
yes,
and calm, so they can walk over here, relax their mind. As you can see, there's a beautiful what we call
clear water.
and beautiful and greenery
Side.
trees.
Yes. Okay, next we have a second interviewer. My name is Muhammad Shafiq.
And my name is Amza.
I'm Jack
Okay.
from Singapore.
Oh, from Singapore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very far, jauh.
Yeah, it's quite far. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell us how do you feel about this place?
Oh, very nice, very quiet. The scenery is good. Yeah, it's a lovely place for relaxation.
Do you come over here? Do you come over here together with your family or just with
yeah,
your
with
wife?
with my wife.
Wife only.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how been long you in Malaysia?
Oh, I've been staying here for about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is second. This.
Yeah, I went to Genting and then come to Alostar. Alostar, and will be staying for 5 nights. Yeah, today will be my 4th night.
So do you think you will bring together your family, your
Oh yeah,
other
yeah, yeah.
relative over here?
Yes. I will recommend them. Yeah, to come. Yeah, nice place. Actually, Malaysia is a very nice place. Yeah,
thank you.
especially you do driving. Lovely place. Yeah.
Okay, so from this we can see that this place is very very interesting and attractive for the foreigners and also to the local people over here. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. In Bukit Wang, they provide a few facilities, which is surau, toilet, and the gazebo over there. It would be easier for the visitor to spend their time and their activities running smoothly.